Good morning, Roland High School. I'm Devin, and you're watching Rocket News.
And I'm Michaela, and here are your morning announcements.
This week, your teachers enjoyed in participating in Underground Spirit Week. If you haven't noticed, today's theme is dress as your favorite video game character. Thanks to all that participated.
With only 2 weeks left until the end of the school year, it's time to announce which class had the most wins for this year's riddle. The winner of this year's riddle competition is...
Right, we've got this in the bag. We're the champions, baby.
Mrs. Barad's 2A class. Congratulations.
What did you say?
Your bagels will be delivered on
This has to
Monday.
be some kind of mistake. We're the clear winners. How is this possible?
Hello?
Hey, Laura. Yeah, there clearly must be some kind of mistake here. We've won like every single week. Was there like a typo in the script or something?
Oh no, there's no mistake. You guys totally cheated.
How could you possibly know that?
Well, it's pretty well established that it only takes 2 people to run a morning show. The rest of the class dedicated to trivia fraud. And after a lengthy investigation, we determined that you guys cheated.
But, no. Just wait 1 second. Hello? She hang up on me? Yeah.
Mr. Leonard, do you have any wigs we could borrow for a shoot?
Check the prop shelf.
Ew, what are these doing here?
Ugh.
Oh, yeah, those must have been left over from the banana project.
Wasn't that months ago?
Yep. You mind throwing them out for me? You know what, I'll go look next door for a wig. Mrs. Herrick always has like hundreds of them. Be right back.
She does have a lot of wigs, doesn't she?
Hey, Herrick! I want that bagel breakfast.
Like you need the carbs.
Save data?
Time to start over. World 1-1.
Ouch! Hey, ouch! Stop it!
Matt? What the world?
Please stop jumping.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute, you can hear me.
Yes. Oh, shoot! Jump! Jump!
You said stop jumping!
Whoa, this is far out. Wait, how did we get here?
Roland, look, you need to get to the end of the level, all right? Maybe you can find your way out that way. Also, Mrs. Herrick's in there, and if you see her, please bring her with you. I guess Mr. Stevenson, too.
Wait, where's Matt?
Matt's dead. No time to explain. Just run to the right.
Wait, Mr. Leonard, you should know how this game goes. The princess is always in another castle. so beating the game won't do much.
Yes, but I'm afraid if I turn off the system, you'll disappear. Maybe forever. Oh, I can try and change the games. That might work. Hold on to your butts. Oh, thank God Matt's alive. Okay, that's a phone call home I would have dreaded.
What the heck, man?
I'm sorry. Look, just hop into the next icon.
What is it?
You can't see it?
This is a two-dimensional plane, Mr. Leonard. Matt looks like a line to me.
Will we be safe? I don't want to hit my head anymore.
Maybe go 2 down.
Dear animals, I'm sorry I don't speak your language.
But somehow you read English. I don't know how I got here, but I know I don't belong. Please help.
Please, hell? How rude.
Help, you idiot. There's a character limit on the letters you can send. It's clearly Miss Herrick, which means she was at least here in this game. Let's go ask around and see what we can find out. Excuse me, chicken things. Have you seen a tall human lady around here anywhere?
We are looking for a princess.
Okay, now I get what the letter is saying.
Matt, there's no end to this game, technically.
Okay, but if Miss Herrick was here, and now she's not, then she must have found a way out of the game. Wait, there's an airport here. Maybe we can fly out of here. Like if we leave the island on the airplane, then we leave the game.
That doesn't make any sense.
Does any of this make any sense?
Fair enough. To the airport!
Hey Matt, so that dog gave me her phone number. Should I call it?
Roland, I don't think you can even understand her.
Well, love its own language, Matt.
Whatever floats your plane, buddy.
Speaking of floating, do you feel extra floaty?
That guy's really sus.
Should we ask any of them for help?
No way! Too dangerous. We don't know who the imposters are.
One for you, Elvis.
Okay, got it. Yo.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yo.
Chill. Why would you want to do emergency vote?
I think Matt did it, guys.
You think Matt did it? I saw Roland just standing by a vent.
Yeah, Roland was being real sus.
I saw Roland chasing you.
He tried to like pursue Christian, but he saw me behind him. So
I think this is hopeless. Oh no. Oh, thank goodness. I thought you were gonna kill me.
Tempting, but you died once already. And since I was imposter, we can use this to our advantage to get out of here. If you vote me off, I'll be ejected and float off somewhere else, maybe even home.
Couldn't we have just done that without murdering everybody?
Hey, what's that?
I forgot we can't control our motion in space.
Okay, AP Physics. Remember, it's video game logic.
Does that mean I can use this? Where did you get that? I found it when I died in the Mario game.
Can we wish to go home?
I mean, it would be cool to finally leave this game. Not to mention save Princess Herrick from the evil clutches of Bowser Stevenson, which is not a sentence I thought I would ever have to say.
We're finally back home.
You still owe me a bagel breakfast.
Are you kidding me?
They're arguing about something. Now's our chance to catch up.
Ignoring the fact that we landed in a golf cart. Cool. Let's go.
Eat my dust, loser!
I'll eat your bagels, nerd!
Miss Herrick, you okay?
I don't know what you guys did, but thank you.
Honestly, I don't think we really did.
You are both so welcome. Leave it to Roland to save the day.
Well, we're home and we're safe. Except for Stevenson.
Well, we're okay, and that's all that matters. Let's go home.
Are we really gonna look the other way after killing a teacher?
Let's go home.